legislation in the Senate. Sickness, it is spreading. We may be hours away from the start of spring, but the flu is causing some problems all across the state even now. In fact, health officials in Meriden say the flu and other illnesses are contributing to a spike in absences at Washington Middle School. NBC Connecticut's Kristen Johnson joining us live from there now. Kristen, good evening.
Good evening, Mike. Tonight, the custodial staff here at Washington Middle School will be spending some extra hours to disinfect every surface inside this school building after a spike in sickness led to nearly 100 students staying home each of the last 2 days. Meriden's Washington Middle School is battling a bug. School officials say the number of students calling out is higher than it was at the height of flu season. 90 yesterday, 80 today. Christina Stimpson's daughter stayed home last week.
She had like a 24-hour bug.
Joel Quintana's son had similar symptoms yesterday. He sent him back to class today, unaware that the number of absences at the school have been stacking up.
I wouldn't have let my son come to school for a few days.
Flu season is now past its peak, but activity remains elevated, according to the state health department.
We're heading toward the end of the season. It's by no means gone.
The flu has claimed the lives of 44 people this season, which is why it's still important to practice healthy habits. Some parents say they'd rather their students stay home and stay healthy than be in school learning.
If he's going to get sick at school, you know, it's better off staying at home.
I have a 2.5-year-old. And my husband and I, don't need to get sick, and neither do I.
Dr. Garner says keeping kids with symptoms home is the key to keeping the bug from spreading in schools.
Keep the sick children home, let the healthy children go to school.
Dr. Garner says there's always a bit of influenza in the air, even in the summertime, and that is why the health department here in Meriden is urging anyone who has not gotten the flu shot to do so. Live in Meriden, Kristen Johnson, NBC Connecticut News. Back to you.
Still not too late, Kristen. Thank you.